Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lexus RX 350 rear wiper. This is a straightforward maintenance task you can easily do yourself. First, gather your new rear wiper blade, which is typically about 12 inches long. You might also need a small flat blade screwdriver to assist with a tab. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface before we begin. To start, you need to get the rear wiper into its service position. Turn your vehicle's ignition on without starting the engine, then activate the rear wiper. When the wiper reaches an accessible position, turn the ignition off to stop it. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the window. Look for a small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide or pull the old blade off the arm. Now it's time to install your new wiper blade. Take the new blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is firmly attached and won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window glass. After installation, always perform a quick check. Confirm that the new blade is firmly attached and does not wobble. Then, turn your vehicle's ignition back on and test the wiper function to ensure it sweeps smoothly and clears the window effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months or as soon as you notice streaking or chattering. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.